Hey, and welcome to Alpha 1, this third day of Christmas. We are now going to be trading some binary option live, and you are welcome to join me. If you see this as a recording, you probably have not subscribed to my channel, you have not turned the bell notification on, or you just forgot it. No worries, I trade every Monday to Friday so you can easily join later. Also, make sure you help me out, push like on this video. And if you want to copy what I'm doing, you find link below the video for this broker. And if you're here right now, you find link in the chat. I'll now start to prepare everything so we can get started for this live session. So just bear with me while we do so. Let's see. I'm going to set up this tablet here now so I can see the chat. Let me see. Okay, we can set up this one first. That. There. Okay, now let's share my screen here now. Just like that. Then you log in and get started. Let's reload the screen here first. Just like that. Okay, so we are once again, we are going to use our new favorite indicator together with stochastic Bollinger Band. We have had incredible great, I'll just close everything much easier. We had a super great success with this indicator, so we are going to continue this success for today. Now let's see. I'm going to open so we have as many open as possible, make it easier for us to find trades. Today I am planning to make a lot of trades. Let's see. Because more trades we get in, the better average we get. So we secure ourselves by making money, by making many trades. Let's see, there. I want it at least to go all the way there, so let's see if we can manage that. And not to worry, I will explain as we go. Okay, I will not use too much time explaining today, but I will explain every single trade, so if you don't get it after one trade, not to worry, you will get it after a couple of trades. Okay, so now let's start from the start and see if we can find something first. Here we have right away, let's change for 100 here. So if this will now cross this line, we'll go in, because the stochastic, you see it's below 20. So we just need to see him cross the blue line. If we cross the blue line, we go in. There we are in. Then we just continue, we just leave that one alone. Now we are basically just looking for another trade we can do. because that is how we deal. We are taking one trade and we move on. That is the way we are going to get as much trade. We are not going to sit waiting, because then we are basically losing 1 minute. That is not what we are going to do. We are going to be looking for trades, and that way we will get in our average. So here once again, if we cross this blue line here now, we easily go in. I need it to fill up the old bar, and there we are in there. One more trade, we move on. Let's see. We will set up the trading statistic after, when we start to get in some trades. I think we start now. So we started this day with a winner actually. That is pretty darn nice. Good to start on a good note. Now let's see. Moving on. So here, for example, to get a trade here, we would need the stochastic to go about at 80, and we need this one to cross above the bullish band up here. That would be a trade for us, and another win. Sweet. So then already you can see we are $156 in profit. So now, as we got a little breather, you can see to get a trade here, we need this one to go above this area, and we need this bar to cross above this bullish band up here. I will get myself some water, a little dry. So at least we have 2 trades. Just bear with me, I'll get some water and then continue. Sit a little comfortable. Let's see. So for example, if this bar now go below here, we can't take a trade because the stochastic is not ready. But let's check. Probably will not trade any OTC. I think we just close it all over. We're going to keep to non-OTC. So here, here we can see, if we now break above this bullish band, we see the stochastic will be ready. But like I said, we are not going to spend too much time on each pair, so let's just move on. Oh. If this won't break above here now, we can take a trade. Let's zoom in. What we basically need to see is that we can't see the blue line. That is the rule. If we can't see the blue line, that means we can enter a trade. As you can even, we are even collecting some cash back up here. This number, I'm guessing, will be quite high in the end of this live session. There, we are in. We can move on. Here, to get a trade, we basically need this stochastic to go below here. That is done. Then we just need this bar to go below the lower bullish band. If that happens, we can enter trade. Like I said, you get many live examples here. So, like I said, that's why I did not use time to explain, because I'll explain on every single trade I do. And there we have it, another $78. So 3 trades, 3 winners. We have started good. So now we have $234. Sweet. So if you're here now and you're not trading together with me, make sure you use the link you find in the chat. There you can take you 2 minutes to sign up. You can just start with a demo account, and can rather, if you want to join me with real money tomorrow, you can do so. So make sure you also use the promo code. The promo code is Alpha1. You get 200% on your first deposit. So check out the link. No pressure. All is up to you. If you like this way of trading, and if you want to, basically the only thing you need to do, just set up the pairs in same direction. You set like one by one by one by one. I explain, you have the time, and if you see that it's a little laggy because you're on YouTube, not to worry, just use the other link. Join me over in Discord. There you have 0 lag, and it will be free forever also. So there now, if this bar now go above this blue line, you know the deal. We go in with a down trade. Let's see. Let's move on. Taking too much time. We don't have. There we have a trade right away. We are in there. Have a little bad entry, but let's see. Let's move on. There we have a trade. If we go up again. Oh, little bad entry there also. 2 bad entries. We take it. It's okay. Now the same deal go here. If this bar go above this area there, we will go in. Let's see, it looks like we're winning the first trade. We take care now. Bang, another $78 into the books. And 4, 3, 2, 1, and bang, another win. We are killing it here now. So we have till now taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, all 5 trades winner. So once again, make sure you follow me. It's much more fun if you can follow my trades. And if you see you can follow me and you like my style of trading, then you have the option to go in with real money for tomorrow. Or you can do today, of course. You can just implement the strategy. It's very simple. I can show you now how to add these 2 indicators. Basically what you do, you just push indicator, this one you see to the right for ask. You just write stock. That's the one. Just choose any of this works good. It's not different basically. So just add stochastic. And for the Bollinger Band, you basically once again just push this one here and just write BB. Then add the one that come in the top. Don't need to do nothing. That's the one you're going to have. When you've done that, both these 2 will end up the same like this on my screen. And you can get started to trade the same way I'm trading right here, right now. Okay? So let's move on. Okay, if we get 1 bar, let's close up in that region again. We take it. Let's wait a little to see if that will happen again. In this case, when I see something like this, I will not take a trade right away across the blue line. I will need to have him to come in the same level he was before. So when I have seen something have crossed it before, it's not enough for him to cross it here now. Now I need him to go up to that level, okay? So be aware of that. That is something, a way of securing myself that I get the best entry, and if I don't get up there, I don't take it. So now I don't take the trade right away across the line that I would normally do. Now I need him to cross all the way up there. So now let's see. We were close, but do you see? I did not take a trade because he did not go all the way up to where he was. Okay. So now let's wait to see. We just need to stay patient. If we don't go up there, we don't take it. And I will not be standing waiting here too long time. If I don't get in there by 2 minutes, I move on. Because here in my live session, my plan is to get many trades as possible. One more there. We are in. I did not get the entry I wanted, but at least we got in. Here, this one basically I'll stay away from. It's two big spikes up. I am not interested in that. Here, if we just cross this blue line up there, I'll take it easily. We don't see we have anything that is even close to it, so let's wait and see. We are very close to a trade. We just need him to go a little higher than this and we can go in. Let's wait and see. And there we have it, another win under our belt. We have 6 trades, 6 winners. I'm ready to go in again here. If there we are in, we got a good entry. So we can put in another $78. So $468 profit till now. That is pretty darn sweet. Now the same go for here now. If we can just break below this blue line here, we will go in. Till now we have a 100% win rate. Don't expect that. This is not a 100% win rate strategy. We just have, oh wait, I was a little slow there. We are in another trade. This will not win every single trade, but we just have done quite good now. But there, another win under our belt. So let's put in $78. Now expect around 7 win out of 10 trades or 8 win out of 10 trades. But don't expect to win every single trade we have done here now. We just have done quite good. So don't expect to win every single trade. That will not happen. Will never happen. So, looks like we're going to get a loser here now. And there we got our first loss. In some way that was good, because I don't like someone to come in to think that we are going to have a 100% win rate, because that is not realistic. So let's remove 100 from this. And we have $446 profit. Now let's see, we might get one trade here now. If we go up there again, we take it. Let's see, we need him to go all the way up there for us to take a trade now. Let's see. But at least, what I did promise, we are getting a lot of trades. That's something you get with this strategy, you get a lot of trades. Now let's see, we are waiting. If we could just get up to that level like once again, we'll take it. We'll take a trade and move on. That's the plan. If I don't get a trade soon, I will move on. I don't have patience to wait too much. I tell all the time you need to have patience, but in my live session I like to take a lot of trades. I'm not sure we will get a trade if we come up there again. I think we need to go a little higher to get a trade right now, so let's see. But yes, we are close to a trade, but there we are in. There, cool. Then we move on. Here also, if we come down there again, we will take a trade. I'm ready to go in. We just need to cross our blue line down there and we can go in. Let's see. Almost. I was not fast enough for this one. There, I'm in there. Cool. Then we can move on. So, same go for here. Let's see. There, we are in. We can move on. So now we have 3 trades going on. Let's see. Here we need to cross the one in the top. Let's see. Looks like we lost one trade there now, minus 100. Now we have two more trades coming in. Let's see. Here, if you come up all the way up there again, we take it. We need to fill up the bar to take a trade. Let's see. There, we got a winner. Perfect. I'm ready to go in. There, we got another winner. Perfect. We need him to go all the way up again. Oh, I got the alarm. It's mining. So that's it. Let me just do that fast. Oh, we have a trade. We are in there. Let's move on. Let's see here now. Another trade here if you go all the way up again. Let's see. We need him to go all the way up to take a trade. We are not even interested if you don't go all the way up there. There. Sorry for that, I just needed to do some mining. For the ones that follow me, they know I do some cryptocurrency mining also. Okay, now I need to do some calculation here. We got three winners that I have not put in my calculation. So that's plus 78, plus 78, plus 76. So we have $578 profit till now. And you see we have just two losers till now. And we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 trades. So 10 out of 12 trades winners. That is incredible. That might be let me see here now. We just need him to fill up this area. I'll take a trade. Let's see. We need a little high. That was a terrible entry. I should not have gone in there. I guess you'll lose this. He did not get the entry he wanted. But let's see. I got very bad entry on euro against dollar. Now let's see. But we won by the way, so then it's okay. Let's put in that into the calculation. Another $78. So we have now $656 profit. Now we just need this bar here now to go above. If we do so, we are going to go in. Title of this video should be best binary option strategy, because I don't think you'll find anything close to this. So this I will say is a most seen live session. Sorry, I'm a little tired. You know, Christmas times we stay up late. It's not supposed to be working like I do now. Now let's see if we cross the blue line, we can go in. Let's see. I think we can move on. Now we need him to cross above this blue line up here. If we cross above the blue line, we can go in with that down trade. Stochastic, you see, is ready. Let's see. Oh, he might be there now. Let's see. We just need him to turn green there. We are in. We can move on. This just looks crazy. Let's just reset the chart. Okay, we are not trading that one for obvious reasons. Let's zoom in here. We are far away from a trade. Let's move on. We are far away from a trade here also. Let's move on. Here we might get some. If he once again can fill up this bar, we will then go in with a trade. But we need him to fill up the way he was. If we do that, we will go in. Like I said before, when you see something like this, we need him to get in the best position. There, another win under our belt. Let's put in the calculation. $734. So if we fill this complete bar up, we go in. Let's wait and see. Stochastic is in order. We are way above. But like I said, this is the cases where I do not take a trade right away on the blue line. Here, when I see something like this, he needs to fill up to the higher point. This is just for me to secure myself to get the best entry possible. So we are ready. If we fill up the bar, we'll take it. Almost. Does not mean I will get an entry in the top, but we are trying our best to get the best entry here now. That's it. If we can get close to the top level, we take it. There, we are in. We even got up. No. No, I hope we don't take a trade. Thankfully, I don't know what happened. I did not take any trade. I think maybe I did push wrong. Let's try again there. There, we got a good entry, then we can move on. Now let's see. Here, we are in the middle. Middle is no trading zone. Let's move on. Here, basically, we need to stochastic. You see, it's ready. So if a bar here come below this Bolster Band lower area here, we'll take a trade. But as you can see, we are in the middle, so we are very far from trade. So we move on. Now let's see here. We got another win under our belt. So we can now put in $78. So we are now for $812 profit. That is very sweet. Here, basically we just need him to cross this Bolster Band up here. Then we'll take a trade. Now let's wait and see if we can get in a trade. If we can just cross that blue line, that is. Come on, almost. You see, this would be in a trade here, but now you see the Bolster Band is a little higher, so we need to wait. We need to be patient in that way. We don't take trades just to take a trade. It's a reason we have this high win rate. Now let's see. If we get up there again, I'll take it. Sometimes I can be slow on the trigger. It's also to secure, so I get the best entry possible. Many knew from the start, when I started my live sessions, I've been trading one style all the way. And I said I will never trade after indicator, because indicators are laggy. The good thing with this strategy we're using now is no laggy thing here. We don't rely on a cross, for example, on MACD or something. We don't rely on any cross or nothing. We take trades based on no laggy results. That's why we have a high win rate. If you are relying on indicators to give us a signal, then we will have a lag indicator and we will maybe have a win rate around 50%. That is the reality. So that the reason we have high win rate is because we are not waiting for anything special, cross or something. We are taking trades based on our own view. So that makes this strategy good. So we are waiting this one to cross this blue line up here. For now he's not doing it, and I will not wait too long either. I think we move on. Same story here, we need him to cross this blue line up here. He might just do it, let's see. We are at least close. Let's see. Let's see if we can just cross above this blue line, we'll take a trade. No, let's move on. Here, we need him to cross below this bolster line in the bottom. Let's see. No. Let me change the title of the video we are doing right now. Let's see if we are able to do so. There. Let's continue. Now, here for example, stochastic is ready, but we are in the middle, so we can take a trade. Here, if we can cross above the blue line up here, then we can take a trade. We are ready. But you see, we need to go much higher. We need to go all the way up around here to get a trade. That's it. If that can happen. For now, we are not getting there. Let's see. Let's move on. Okay. Same story go here. Stochastic is ready, but we need to cross above this blue line up here. So if this bar can get himself up there, we'll take a trade. So you can see, often it's like this. We get one trade, we get many after each other, and then we get a little pause, and then we get some action again. So let's see how much time we have of this live session. We have around 20 minutes left, so not much time. We should be able to get in at least 6-7 trades more. So in a way, we guarantee ourselves profit in this live session, even if we lose all the rest of the trades. Of course, we're not going to do that, but at least we turn profit. We have done very good today. Now here we might get something. Yes, the stochastic is ready, and we need this bar to cross below this post band, and we'll go in. There we are in. Sweet. I almost did click 2 times. Thankfully I got just 1 trade. I hate when I do mistakes, so we did not do that. Even if you win 2 times, I don't like when I take 2 trades. Here we might get, no, we are actually very far away. We need him to cross above this blue line up here to get a trade. Let's see if we will do that. No, I think we move on. Looks like we maybe lose this trade here. Let's see. We still have 5 seconds to go in our direction. Okay, we are in the money now. Another win. Now there's $78. So that means our profit is now up at $890. With this $32 up here, we have more than $900 profit. So it looks like we might get another $1,000 live. With Monday, we made 1,300. Yesterday we did going 0, and today we are turning sweet profit again. So we are killing in the market. Here we basically need a strong bar to go below this push bar all the way down here. We can easily do that with a bar like this. So let's see what will happen. Stochastic is at least ready, so we just need him to go down here. Let's see. We will follow this one till we see he stop with but if we get a green bar, we just move on. Let's see. We just need to have some patience. For now, we are not getting any trade. Now, let's move on. Okay. Now we need him to cross this blue line down here. That might happen. Let's see. Here, in this case, my rule is when you see him close to go, I want him to go all the way down here. I will not consider a trade without we go down to that region. And of course the stochastic also is a little high right now. I think we move on. Here, stochastic is in the middle, so let's move on. Stochastic is ready. Here we just need him to cross this blue line up here, and we see that it's possible with this area up here. If you get up there again, that would be a very nice entry. So let's see. You see that we have this resistant area here. When he breaks this resistant area, he'll basically go up to this level. So we are aware that we would like to have a good entry above. So here I think it's a good plan is to not take the trade right on the blue line. At least just wait and see what will happen. If you stop there or if you continue. Let's wait and see. But of course we need to break this resistance here first. So if we break in a lower area, we move on. If we break in the top, then we might get the trade. So that's the plan. See. Okay, looks like he's breaking in the top. We know from the past that this region, a little above the blue line, is good. So around here, let's see. Okay, now if we cross the line, I'll take a trade. Cross the line is around the area where we see. So just crossing the line is not good enough for me. Let's see. How are we in time? We have been trading now for 42 minutes, so we can say we have still some time left. So today we have been killing the market. We have been taking, how many trades we taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 trades. 14 winners and 2 losers today. So we have been killing the market. 14 winners and 2 losers. That is a good win rate. So once again, if you tune in and you want to trade together with me, you find link in the chat. You find link for Discord. Discord we have 0 lags. It's a little better than follow here in YouTube. And also, they will be free for a trade every Monday to Friday. And also you find link for the broker that I'm using. Also, you find yourself a promo code there also. Take you 2 minutes to sign up, so if you want to follow in this live session, you still have time. Takes you 2 minutes to sign up. Now let's see. In this case, I would like him to go down to this level, because when we have a level that have been low before, we just need him to go down to that same area. This stochastic, of course, need to be below this area here. I believe it will be if you go down. But let's see now. He chooses to go upwards, then we move on. Okay, in this case here, if you can get up to that level, we take a trade. Stochastic will be ready. So if you can up to this level again, I will take a trade. Let's see. So once again, the same rule apply. Normally we take a trade when he crossed the blue top line, but now let's see. I need him to go to the top area, because always I need to protect myself. I take a trade in the top area. So if you get up there now, I'll take a trade and we'll move on and look for more trades. Let's see. Little more there. Yeah. We did not get the best entry, but we are in. Now we just need to wait 1 minute there and 30 seconds actually. Here is the same story. If you can fill up about this area there, we'll take a trade. And don't confuse, we don't have a 100% win rate, even though we have a good win rate. No one can promise you 100% win rate. I will say our win rate is probably around 8 wins for each 10 trades. 7, 8 wins for each 10 trades. So now looks like we get another winner here, and we got it. Another sweet $78. So don't be confusing this with one of these bullshit YouTube channels that promise you 100% win rate. This does not exist. You can see here we got 2 losers here. Yes, our win rate is super high, but do not confuse, there are no such thing as a 100% win rate. But yes, we have a high win rate. That is something we have. So money we'll make, but we will not win every single trade. I can take 3 trades in and I can lose 3 in a row now easily, just so you know. So just be real here now that money we'll make, stay consistent, but we can easily lose 3 trades in a row here now. So just know there are no such thing as a 100% win rate. But what we do have is that if you take in a lot of trades, you should see around 7, 8, between 7 and 8 wins for each 10 trades. We have taken now 15 trades and we have just lost, no, 16 trades, and we have just lost 2 trades. So we have 14 wins and 2 losers here now. So let's move on. Okay, here if we can cross up to that level again, that is if the stochastic choose to go above. For now this one looks a little stuck, nothing is happening, at least for me. If nothing, I think we move on. This was strange. Oh, it is not moving. I need to wait, something is a technical issue here now. My bars is not moving. I will not take a trade when it's like this. Let me see what's going on. Nothing is moving for me right now. No. There are issues sometimes. Let me try to reset the chart, see if that helps. No. Let me try to do reload. Let me see. I'm reloading the screen now to see if that will help. I'm not sure what's going on. Eternal, have the bars paused for you now? I don't see no movements. Like here, for example, would be amazing good trade, but it's not moving. So I don't know what's going on. Yeah, Internal, you lost a very good session here now. We have like 16 trades, 14 winners. It's stuck for you also, very strange. Let's just hope this will correct itself soon, because we have had an amazing live session here now. Just take a look at this trade we've done from here. Look there, all these winners. We got 2 losers here, and then we got all these winners there. So this Bollinger Band strategy we are using, I will say, is a killer strategy. You see we did some mistakes yesterday from the start, but in the second half, when we start to take 1 trade, move on, 1 trade, move on, we get our average in and we start to turn profit. And that is what I've done today. Just take 1 trade, move on. Don't stuck on 1 pair. Don't try to go in more times on 1 pair. Just take 1. That is working amazingly. So you can see here now, you will not see I have done 1 pair where I take a trade 2 times. You see I move on every time. So that is the way to go when we talk about this strategy. It's just take 1 trade, move on. Don't be waiting, try to get in more trades. So that was the mistake we did yesterday. I think I lost like 3 in a row, for example, where I take $100 trade and 2 200s. We basically lost like $500 on 1 pair yesterday. So of course then you end up going an uphill battle after. Counting the 1 trade I did take on the recap video yesterday, I did go in 0 yesterday, so that is a-okay. So thinking about this week till now, it's a very good week. Monday 1003. Today with this cashback up here we have 1000, and yesterday in 0. So pretty darn good. But this is a little annoying. I will try to reload it again. Let's see what's going on. If we can start to get these bars moving. I'm not sure what's going on. No movement. Maybe we are not supposed to trade more today. Not sure. I will ask my support man if he is live. Let's see if we get a reply. But yeah, stuck everywhere, yeah, that's the thing. And that was sad. I came in the correct moment here. Like I said, this is will be a beautiful entry for a trade. When you see us breaking down here, stochastic low, push up here, like it's like printing money. So yeah, looks like we maybe are done for today. I will wait a little longer. I have asked my account manager. Problem, he don't reply that fast. He reply fast, but not so fast. Typically within 10 minutes. So as we have so short time left, looks like we might be done for today. But at least we made $1,000 profit. That is pretty darn amazing. Let's see. Do another reload here now. Looks like there are nothing more we can do. I think then we stop for now. That looks like nothing will happen anytime soon. I hope you did enjoy today. Today was an amazing live session with an incredible high win rate. Incredible high win rate. So once again prove that this is the best strategy, and going forward this is the strategy I will use in 2024 also. So make sure you tune in tomorrow. I will continue trading with this strategy, and I hope that you sign up with the broker so you can enjoy some profit together with me, or at least trade with a demo account, because it's much more fun to follow when you have a demo account. So with that, thank you all for joining in, and I hope I see you all tomorrow. Have an amazing Christmas. See you tomorrow.